Science is fun. We learn cool things every day. Today, we will learn about experiments.
Luke likes racing cars. He races them down ramps to see how fast they can go. He uses blocks to make a ramp. When he rolls his car down the ramp, it rolls slowly at first and then gets faster and faster. Luke wants to see the car go even faster. He wonders how he can make the car go faster.
When an object rolls down a hill, it starts off slowly and gets faster and faster. This is called acceleration.
Luke asks Suzie the Scientist for help. "How can I make my car go faster?" asks Luke. "Try using more blocks under your ramp," says Suzie the Scientist. "This will make your ramp higher," she says, "and should make your car go faster," she adds. Luke already has one block under his ramp. He adds one more block to make his ramp higher. He rolls the car down the ramp and sees the car start slowly and then get faster and faster. "Did your car go faster this time?" asks Suzie. "I think so," says Luke, "but I am not sure," he adds. "How can I be sure the car goes faster on my new ramp?" asks Luke. "Let's do an experiment," says Suzie. "If we measure the time it takes for the car to go down both ramps, we will be able to tell which one is faster," she says.
The less time it takes to reach the end of the ramp, the faster the car has gone.
Luke starts the experiment with one block under his ramp. He lets the car roll down the ramp. He uses a stopwatch to measure how long it takes to get to the end. It takes 4 seconds for the car to get to the end of the ramp. Luke records this result in a table. Luke repeats the experiment using 2 blocks under his ramp. The ramp is now higher. He lets the car roll down the ramp and measures how long it takes to get to the end. This time, it takes 2 seconds for the car to get to the end of the ramp. "That is much quicker than last time," shouts Luke. He records this result in the table. Luke repeats the experiment again, this time using 3 blocks under his ramp. The ramp is even higher now. He lets the car roll down the ramp and uses a stopwatch to measure how long it takes to get to the end. It takes 1 second for the car to get to the end of the ramp. "That is the fastest time yet," shouts Luke. Luke records his final result in the table. He concludes that the highest ramp results in the fastest speed.
Wow, experiments are cool, and so is science.